Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Vivo device. As you can see, I have Vivo Y36, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 best themes for your device. On the third place, my top is Niagara Launcher. So just try to find it. Niagara Launcher. Find the Niagara. Click install and wait a while. Click open. OK, agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps and click OK. And so what we have here? Here we have the list of apps on the home screen, and on the home screen we have the applications we can use every day. And here we have the alphabetical line. Using the alphabetical line, we can easily find any application in one moment. Okay. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher. Find Smart Launcher 6 and click install. Then click open. Get started. I agree. Confirm. Continue while using the app. Hello. And here, as you can see, it asking about buying the premium, but you don't need to do it because you can use it for free. But of course, without Prime Features. Prime Features is live wallpapers and new groups. So here we have groups, and these groups are working automatically. So all applications you download in are automatically grouping in these groups. And in the main menu we have the wallpaper, and here we have the beautiful wallpaper gallery. Maybe this is the most advanced wallpaper gallery you can find in any launcher. Click confirm, and cool, wallpaper was successfully installed. But which launcher I have located in the first place? I have located the Microsoft launcher. Try to find it, click install, wait a while, and click open. Cool, as you can see, here we have the Microsoft launcher, and why I think that this launcher is the best launcher for you and for anybody. It's just because this launcher is really great. Here you have, this launcher is very functional. Here you have the glance panel. In the glance you can set up all widgets you have, and in this way you will not you will not have to switch between thousands of home screens to find your desired widget. In the main menu you have alphabetical line. It makes searching for applications easier, but you have normal search, voice search, and Bing search too. Here you have the hidden apps feature. It's really great, but one of the killer features of this launcher is the gestures. So for example, you can set up, maybe not swipe up, but 2-finger swipe up, for example, to opening calendar. For example, of course, you can set up it in the way you want, but I want to open the calendar when I swiping up with 2 fingers. And as you can see, it works. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and bye. See you.